What's up guys, it's Santa Gamer here today with another video. Now I know I haven't uploaded in a long time. I just uploaded another video yesterday. Go for my punish because I haven't uploaded a video. Yeah, not really like a punish, but yeah. I'm uploading a video again and I'm gonna upload one tomorrow. So today we're gonna be playing some Mortal Kombat. Before I start the game, go check out my other channel. It's called Santa Gamer, same name. And gotta give a shout out to Screencast-O-Matic. Make a YouTube channel, a gaming channel on your computer. Go check it out. Yeah. Let's get started. Yes, let's go. Okay, so this is my thing. And let's get started, guys. Let's play this. Let me just move my mic. Oh, wait. Okay. Guys, just give me 1 second. Okay, there you go. So I'm good. Got my mic set up. And let's start. Okay, Soldiers League, a nice playing in Soldiers. Okay, whatever. Streets, team battle. I'm not poor. Oh, is this in like? Wait, sorry. Is this in like Japan or something? If you're like Japanese or something, like, or not to be racist, but yeah, if you're like if you know like what that thing said on the car. Oh yeah, if you know what this says, and it's actually written, comment down below and translate it. Don't just say like the same thing. Alright, so I have a vector. Oh. Yeah, comment down below what that says too. Probably says ambulance. Oh, the heck? Pistol out. Oh, I got a pistol. Hey, that was a nice kill. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Those people were literally staring at me. That was so funny right there. They're literally like, yeah, you gotta get out the way, bro. And then I just looked there and then alright, so that guy, I got killed again. I'm gonna jump down, should I? Guys? Yeah, let's go. Ah. Alright, where'd that guy just go? I had him. The heck? Yeah, that guy. No, I need to reload. No, I died. Oh, that guy just Sabre. Alright, oh! Double kill. Double. Oh, that guy, this gun right here. Sabre 52. I don't know how you pronounce it. I'm gonna say Sabre. Sabre. Alright, sorry, the mic's going a bit down. No. Alright, gotta kill these. I could shoot him. I was shooting. Okay, I'm pretty sure we lost a one. Are we red? We're red. Okay, so I was in top 3. I was top last. Oh, no, I'm joking. I just roasted myself. Okay, so let's go. Free fall. And let's go. This. Okay. Team battle. Okay, has connected. Alright. Oh no, there's a lot of people that joined in the game. It's gonna go rough. Let's play. Let's go. Okay, so I just went somewhere. I think someone was there. Oi. Oh no, I was the first kill victim. Okay, let's deploy. Right. I'm gonna slow down. Oh, what the heck? Guys, the game is literally glitching. I don't know why it always does that. And I just died. Okay, there's people there. I saw him from before. Oh, that was a nice move though. Oh, that gun though. This Sabre S2. That is 5-2. Yeah, deploy. Let's deploy. Okay. Huh. Oh, there's someone down here. Give me a pistol. Right. Ah! Yeah. I just got knifed. How embarrassing. Wait, how do you knife again? Okay, so wait. This is how you look at the map. Press M. So apparently I'm right over there in that white. Yeah, so I'm that white thing, as you could see. So when I turn around, okay, I'm that white guy. That sounds so wrong. Oh, kill him. Oh, I had him right there. I had him. Oh, if he didn't have a good gun, I would have had him. Yeah, I definitely would have had him. If he didn't have a good gun, I would have had him. All right, let's go and. Okay, there's no one's enemies here. Okay, there's an enemy right there. So I'm jump off. Got your back. Pistol in.